Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer, and on the display it's giving you an E5H error, and you're wondering, what is this error and how do I get rid of it? Especially since you might get this error, the dryer might abandon the cycle or whatever when you're getting this, and that's because the drive motor is sensing that it's not getting enough electricity. If it's getting less than 100 volts, it won't. Less than 100 volts, it can't operate properly. So basically, there's an inverter board that feeds the drive motor electricity via wiring. So the two main culprits for this issue is going to be either the wiring between the inverter board and the drive motor. So you want to check that wiring, and if there's anything damaged, disconnected, frayed, etc., you want to repair and replace the wiring as necessary. And then secondarily, if that's not the issue, then you probably want to just replace the inverter board because the inverter board itself is not sending the proper voltage to the drive motor.